Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get live wallpapers on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. In order to get live wallpapers, we can use, for instance, TikTok and the TikTok wallpapers plugin as a way to get these live wallpapers. So I'm gonna press and hold on empty space in order to get the wallpapers option. There we go. Now I want to choose the home screen. Let's tap change wallpaper, and if you have TikTok installed on your smartphone, then you have live wallpapers option over here. So let's go here and we should open the TikTok app. Now over here, if you just did that for the first time like I did, then you should have the option to find wallpapers. So let's press this button and then we can scroll through different wallpapers that we can use. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one as an example. Let's tap over here. Let's try to close it. One more time. There we go. Now, in order to set this as a live wallpaper, we need to press this share button over here. And then we need to scroll through these options at the bottom until we find set as wallpaper. So let's tap over here. We will be asked to install wallpaper plugin. So let's press install. We're gonna open the Play Store with this app. Let's install it. And after a few seconds, it should be done. There we go. So now we can open it. And then we can open TikTok to set as wallpaper. Over here, we can press continue if this pops up. And here we also can adjust the sound. So if you want to have the sound, then of course you can turn it on or off. I don't want to have the sound, so I'm gonna make sure that this one is set to the left side. So now let's open TikTok to set wallpapers. We don't really need to sign up, so let's actually go back. Maybe we will try that one more time. So let's go back to the wallpapers. There we go, change wallpaper, live wallpaper. We're gonna go to TikTok and we should open once again the same thing. Now this time I have the wallpaper saved over here, so I'm gonna choose it and then I'm gonna set it as wallpaper. And then once again set wallpaper. We have the option to set it as home screen and lock screen, both together. I'm gonna choose only home screen, and there we go, we have wallpaper set. So now if we go back, as you can see, I have live wallpaper. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.